Free Google AI tools are changing what vehicle repair shops can do without expensive software or complicated tech. If your shop is buried in marketing, training, paperwork, customer messages, and follow-ups, AI can help lighten the load. These tools can help you build simple shop resources, create content, organize information, and turn repetitive tasks into faster workflows. Imagine typing, "Create a service request form for my repair shop," and AI builds a clean intake page or internal dashboard. Now your team can capture the customer's name, vehicle, issue, preferred date, and next step without sorting through scattered notes. Workflow tools can also turn messy intake processes into simple automated checklists your shop can control and repeat. Training gets easier too. Upload SOPs, warranty documents, inspection guides, or service notes, and AI can turn them into summaries or explainer-style training content. That means new team members can learn faster, service advisors can stay consistent, and important knowledge does not stay trapped in paperwork. Marketing becomes easier as well. AI can help turn your shop's services, brand style, and customer questions into social posts, campaign ideas, and visual content. Need a presentation for a team meeting, customer education, or shop process? AI can turn a document into a clear visual slide deck. Even rough ideas can become useful marketing visuals, training graphics, or service explanation images without hiring a designer for every small task. Audio tools can help create quick training lessons, customer education clips, or podcast-style content without a full recording studio. The big opportunity is not just using one tool. It is connecting these tools into a smarter system for your shop. Less repetitive work, faster content creation, better training, cleaner workflows, more time to focus on customers and vehicles. But tools alone are not the strategy. You still need the right plan, the right setup, and the right system behind them. America's Best Shops helps vehicle repair shops turn AI tools into real marketing and growth systems. So your shop can work smarter, look more professional, save time, and create more opportunities to book jobs. Contact us today